Guys, we're back at it again. This is...
The light's still on that.
Yeah, it's filming with the light on.
Okay.
This is a J&P spinner. I don't know much about these. They were sold at Kmart under either the Atlantic Air or Global Wind's name, and it's labeled J&P, but I don't know if the OEM... I don't think J&P was an OEM, were they? I don't know, maybe it's a CEC?
Well, it could be. I know J&P makes those industrials that are similar to AgriFans.
But are they they're not the OEM.
That's a good question.
So,
that I don't know.
I don't know much about it, but it's labeled J&P. I kind of wanted, when I was a kid, one of these in the black and brass version. And these are very interesting because the motor's got like a fake wood grain on it, and then the blade's reversed to fake wood without the Saturn lines. This is for sale. I have two of them. Now, they came with very long down rods, so if I sold them, they'd be sold sans down rod. And also, I might keep the glass for use on a different fan, so it would just be motor and blades and canopy. There would be no down rod or glass. If you really need the down rod or really need the glass, talk to me. Either way, they wouldn't be very expensive. They're pretty cheap fans to begin with. So, yeah. Well, let's go take it through the paces.
Alright.
One by one. I don't want to get too serious. I just like having fun.
Okay. Didn't really check the current draw with the light when we did.
Yeah, it was the same bulb as the other one, so it shouldn't be any different.
True. Yeah, I guess we took. Okay, so 0.21 on low. Let's see how many watts. 26 watts. Power factor 1.
Oh, I didn't really think it was going to be 1 based on those numbers, but I guess I'm slow.
Okay, and that's a decent low, too. You know, usually these cheap fans tend to have a fast low. I usually always picture, but this is actually a good low. And even for a small fan, too.
That's all. Everything you're saying is true.
Yeah.
Now, the two of these, the Scandia and the F52, all came out of the same guy's house. It was in some suburb of Chicago, maybe Palatine or something like that.
Sure.
Huge, fancy house. These were very cheap fans, but they were all in the garage. These were shop fans.
It's like west of Chicago area. Yeah, it's kind of that way, out that way. I got the other SMC out that way. I've gotten a lot of things. I got the Context out that way, too. Like Hickory Town or something like Hickoryville, something like that. That's like west of Chicago. You go down 294. So that whole area is like that. So 0.31, not much higher.
Nope.
That's a good 37 watts or 38 watts, rounded up.
Yeah, the guy had a Casablanca Artisan in his dining room.
Yeah.
And
still power factor 1 on medium. So the current draw is what it is.
And he said he had some Fanimations elsewhere in the house, but I didn't see him.
Oh.
Because he recognized Fanimation.
Oh. Okay.
12 hours.
What are they talking about?
12 hours.
They're not even paying us any attention, are they?
No.
I was trying to pay attention. Jack was making loud noise.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely Jack's. Ooh!
Whoa.
What are we filming? Girl, what is you doing?
I'm not filming anything. My fan just sounds like a loud, like the wind noise is loud.
No, I knocked my camera over and it was filming the ceiling.
That was so annoying.
Okay.
Okay, 0.48.
You gonna test the airflow or no?
Yeah, actually, let me just see.
It's quite a low current draw.
Yeah, 58 watts.
That'll be power factor 1.
Yep. Okay.
Look how fast the Sinclair's going.
And right under it is an okay breeze.
Okay breeze. I mean, these were very cheap when they were new. They were like a $20 or $30 fan, so I'd be surprised if it's exceptional. But I've been surprised before.
Little bit of something.
Little bit of something at a distance.
Nothing too great.
It's a cheap 42-inch fan, so a little bit of something is about as much as we can expect.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, this would not be something I would use. Okay, so, in other words, spin down. And reverse.
Oh yeah. Please stop the wind noise. We're going to turn it down to medium.
How about we turn you down to medium?
I've heard it before. I'll turn it down to medium. Like, not hear nothing.
How about we turn your mom down to medium?
that better?
Wait, was that a desk fan or was that the ceiling fan?
It's a ceiling fan. This fan's really powerful.
Okay, that was kind of a quick spin down.
Yeah.
It's not bad bearings, they're just...
I mean, they could be bad and just not sound bad. Spin it by hand and see does it seem like how quickly it stops, you know?
Sure.
They seem okay.
Yeah, they did, but just being so light, plastic motor, just
Maybe.
not much to it.
It's plastic?
Yeah, well, it feels like.
Interesting.
Well, actually, get this, there's a crack on it somewhere. Where did I see it? I saw it.
Sure it's not just a pattern in the fake wood?
Yeah, I thought I saw a crack somewhere.
You thought...
Maybe it's the other one. But I thought... Oh, here it is. See that right there?
Nope.
What's that? Right?
Okay.
Where my
Oh, there's like a line in it, like a seam.
Yeah, it's like a crack seam or so. So, yeah.
So there's a plastic. I wonder... So I bet you this isn't like a normal spinner. And then it's got like a plastic cover on it.
Yeah.
Interesting. I never looked close at it before.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're very strange. I mean, if I was somebody like a Zachary Yarns where my thing was collecting weird cheap fans, I would definitely keep them. In fact, I wonder if Zachary wants one of these.
That's a good question.
Zachary, if you want one, you get the shittier one. Well, Metal Pete will decide which one is the shittier one, and that's the one you get.
Well,
Did I take a picture of it?
I don't remember.
I think so, but I have to make sure I send one to him and see if he wants it.
Yeah. Well, we wouldn't keep either of these. I wouldn't be
No,
interested in
they're not.
yours.
They're not staying. They're going. All these fans, the F52 and these two, I'm probably, if I have room in my car, I'll bring them to Fanimation, even if I don't have confirmed sales, and I'll just $20 a piece or whatever,
Okay.
That's if nobody makes me an offer beforehand.
Okay. And it's drawing, it's same current draw. Yep, same current draw, medium. And
One by one.
I'm trying to get my hands on a K55 Panama.
I feel like you
0.48, same current draw.
What's that noise?
Oh wait, no, you're right. It is.
Is it just rattling from
Yeah,
wobbling
it
a
is.
little? Okay.
Yeah, it is. Alright.
I've got like.
Alright. Since
No, I was thinking of that one. The five.
current draws are the same on reverse, time for decade box. Okay, making sure that that's engaged. Okay. Alright, let's see where it starts. 1, 2. Nope. 3. Nope, didn't even start.
Interesting. I can't believe it's not starting so much earlier.
4.
There we go.
It's kind of struggled.
Yeah.
So, like, might be just slightly bad bearings where it just struggles. with
Could
that.
be.
Okay, what's the drawing on 4.19? And here's 5. Okay, just a hair over what factory low is.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just compare. 12.5 watts,
Okay.
and power factor of 0.44.
Interesting.
So quite a lower power factor here, so quite a difference. Here's 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is factory medium at 8. 25 watts. And 0.64 power factor.
Interesting.
9,
Hey, Jack.
10.
Yeah.
I think I figured out why that like sound keeps coming.
12.
It's not the wind noise. Like, losing your
Okay, so this would be,
seeing the volume.
Learning remote medium right here.
Is your microphone
Okay.
increasing the
So
volume?
let's
It
see
feels
what
like
power
the same
factor you get with a learning remote.
Just
35
rushing
watts.
sound. It's like, I don't know,
0.76 power factor.
That should be a bit better now.
13.
I don't know what it is. It's just like when it goes off, I just
14.
not hear anything.
15.
Oh.
16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
So
Just 49 watts. And 0.91 on 20 microfarads. but you're still under 20, so any wall control is safe. That's what I've determined, just for grins. 0.45 at 22.
Guessing the only middle thing.
0.46. And I'm just going to see if I... 0.47, I'm still a little under. 7. Okay, I am right on the money with high, maxed out. So no resonant frequency in this fan at all. I would expect one, usually in cheap.
Yeah, I mean, in some ways it doesn't perform like a cheap fan, in other ways it does. It's interesting.
Yeah, like no resonant frequency in this.
I think it's unique and stuff. It's different.
It is definitely unique.
It is. Okay, let's...
I wonder what it's meant to be copying.
And I'm not a big fan normally of those like modern style.
Solid state variable speed control. Okay. Slightly more buzz.
I can't hear it, but I'm sitting all the way over here.
Well.
Oh, I hear it, yeah.
Just let me go up a little more.
Speaking of solid state speed controls, I plan on putting my grandparents' originals on a solid state speed control or something.
You think that's
Still living room quiet, I
pretty
think.
quiet, yeah? Okay, go ahead. I just wanted to hear
It'd
how
get
quiet
Well, not
it really
really
is.
is on a Hampton Bay 3-speed control.
I used mine on a
4.2,
It's not a tasty control.
4.5, and here's
Also, I
high.
didn't use it because it was not very good on the...
But yeah, yeah, not bad. I expected worse.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's... The guy that had these in his garage had them running, in his garage to keep the moisture away, and he said it worked, and to push the heat down, and he said they all worked very well for that, So,
Yeah.
I mean, they're effective, they're just not high quality, but they're not, like, poor performers either, they're just not great. What do we got left? Just 0 to high?
Yes. Yep, 0 to high. Okay. Let's go on to the meter. And 0.49. I know it was 0.48 was the final current draw.
So yeah, not much of an inrush.
Nope.
I'm just wondering if I could use that little globe on something else. It's kind of a cool little globe.
It is an interesting globe.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm glad we tested this. Yeah, I don't know if we want to just hang the other motor without the blades and just make sure that it, see if it runs and everything.
Well, you could probably bench it.
Well, except it's very hard to bench a spinner.
Yeah.
I guess we could try to do it sitting downward, but I don't have a lot of bench space right now either.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's enough for this right now. Thanks for watching.
All right. Okay.